Okay, this is another Calvinistic parody. This is Fear Factory and Replica. Here goes. There is no grace. No grace. I'm just a stupid Calvinist, and I'm trusting in my works. There is no grace in my theology. Good behavior is all that I need. There's no grace. There's no grace. There's no grace. There is no grace. Every day I look to my works. I'm just a stupid, unsaved jerk. There's no grace. There's no grace. There's no grace. I'm totally depraved, unsaved. In Calvinism, grace is not free. And if you want to go to heaven, you have to be like me. You don't get to live that way. You don't get to live that way. You don't get to live that way. Anyway, there is no grace in Calvinism. Thank you, and we are off.